this goes in here. Okay, so doesn't really. Okay, I can dig that. Kind of locks in there. Hmm. Oh, you see that grease again. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to clean this up because there's just too much grease in it before we put it through its paces. Okay. Okay, so we are doing the review of the SOG Reactor. It's a 10-in-1 multi-tool, and it has been 3 weeks since I included this in my EDC rotation. So been carrying this thing for 3 weeks for the review. First things first, it has a clip, pocket clip, which I like about it. I think it's really nice. In the unboxing, I mentioned that it came with a lot of grease. So it's a good thing that they did that for the packaging, because you can see, let me focus, there's already some rust buildup on it. So I found that out about a week um, using this. If you don't wipe it down, it's gonna build rust, which is such a shame. So anyway, you've seen the specs, but I would like to reiterate, this is a 10-in-1 multi-tool. So first off, it has this lock. See that? Up means lock, down means unlock. So right now you can't open it. Now it's, well, open it, and they say this is a assisted opening, so I'm going to show that to you on camera. So you can see me struggling there, probably because it hurts when you open it. It is a spring assisted and liner lock, so I'm going to show you again. The main reason why it's, well, it hurts and it's a little bit difficult to open is because the stud, if you can see, is conical in shape. It's really hard for your thumb to push it out. But anyway, the blade is powder coated, has some sort of spay profile. I don't know what profile this is to be exact, but out of the box it did not came sharp. Um, you like new things to feel new, but this one you're gonna have to resharpen. I'm gonna show some video clips of me trying to chop up cardboard, paracord, zip ties. Basically, it's not a good chopper. It's not very slicey, but the steel is, it holds an edge. After you resharpen it, it's okay. The steel is actually 8CR13 blah 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 with our Rockwell hardness of 55 to 58. I'll just put in the specs in the screen. So that's the knife. Let's do it again. And also you can see it is very thin. So I would definitely not use this for heavy duty use, although if you really have to, well then yeah, you have to. So it has this bit holder. You're not really meant to screw with this, but it just holds the bits. So it has a Phillips and has a flat head that you can use. You put it when you grip it in here. Is that the right way? No, it's not the right way. Yep, that's it. So that's how you use this. So my gripe about this is well, it's really good. It has these magnets, but the magnets sort of fell out on me a few times. Let's see if I can show that right now. If it doesn't, I'll show. Oh, right there. See that? I think it's supposed to be held in place by glue or something, but came out of that. So that's not very good. SOG. Let's put this somewhere. Can't lose it. So that's one flaw I found in it. Let me put this back in. The pliers, okay? Pliers, grippers, wire cutters, wire stripper. Pliers are actually very good. So you can see it doesn't fold just one side. If I squeeze this, it's like that all the way. This thing doesn't fold one way. So that makes it, I guess, sturdy pliers or whatever. And then there's really not much into this other than that. Let me show you the bottle opener. So it's located here in this sort of lanyard hole, and this is a very good design. If I can show you how it works, here we go. See that? That little thing is a bottle opener. It does work. It's a little unconventional because you have to go really high on the bottle, but it does work. So I wouldn't use it too many times because, again, with the thickness. Okay, so carrying this thing, it is very lightweight. It's only 4.1 ounce. Um, like I said, it does have a pocket clip, but I find that if I wear really skinny jeans, it tends to ride up. Uh, so it's up here, and then it rides up like that. But it's okay. I don't feel like I'm gonna lose it, so I just push it back in. It is very, very light. I will give it that. Um, and you know, it does have this really cool lock, very audible. So I don't have any fear of this thing opening in my pocket. So this thing, when you carry it, is actually tipped down. Yeah, for you guys who want to know that. So what is this multi-tool for? It's definitely not heavy duty use, but if you just want to have something, um, if you need it, you know you have it in your pocket. And for something lightweight, um, it's pretty compact. Well, with everything that you need, but it is not for heavy duty use. So if you're going to expect to use your multi-tool a lot, um, just get another multi-tool. I would not recommend this. Let me show you reason why. So it has, I would say they put all the effort designing this part, the pliers, but the rest of it, I mean, if you hold, it's kind of awkward when you're gonna use it for actual work. And I would like to show you, um, well, this part right here. So the frame is actually stamped metal. I'll show you the specs of the metal, but I'd like to show you this part right here. See that? So not only am I flexing the handle, I'm also tilting. I can feel I'm tilting the blade a little bit. So for a knife, well, you gotta sharpen it, sorry, resharpen it, and can't really do much if it's this kind of flimsy. So Knowing all of this, would I buy it again? Probably not. I bought this on a sale just to have it and just to review it, but definitely would not recommend this if you're going to expect your multi-tool to be used a lot. Um, so what is it good for? I would say it's good for just having in your pocket, just one of those days that you don't really want to carry something heavy duty like Victorinox Spirit. And this is very heavy compared to this. So this is just something to drop in your pocket or in your bag, just so you'd have something just in case for that one-time use. So maybe I'm gonna get some SOG fans there, gonna give me hate, but I'm just being honest. It's what I think about this multi-tool. So I guess that's it. So I'm done with this review. I hope you guys like it, and if you do like it, do leave a thumbs up. And remember, if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you.